Hello, good people of Thornhill. Rafi Consker here from Preferred Plumbing Solutions. I want to welcome all you fantastic people, all you fantastic Thornhill community members, and let you know that we are here and ready to serve. We want to invite you to use our services. My organization is customer-centric. What does that mean to you? Your call will be answered in a timely fashion. You'll be respected, treated professionally, provided appointments at a convenient time. You'll be provided with upfront flat rate pricing. You'll be given several options depending on what the deal is, what we're looking at, what your situation is. And we are absolutely committed to achieving nothing but excellence. Our customer service is second to none. And we're inviting new clients into our database. We'd love to serve you. We take care of everything and anything plumbing. From a shower faucet, to a sink faucet, to a toilet that's running, to a backed up sewer, to a leak through the ceiling, to an outside tap, to an odd smell or an odd noise, a sump pump, a carburetor, it's endless. We take care of all things plumbing. Thornhill, we are ready for you. Rafi Consker, Preferred Plumbing Solutions. We are here to serve you. Welcome.